Solar panels are popping up on rooftops everywhere, and almost everyone considering them is asking the same question. How much does solar actually cost? The short answer, in 2026, a typical home solar panel system costs about $29,000 before incentives, or roughly $2.49 per watt, according to EnergySage's latest home electrification marketplace report. But here's what you may not realize. Most people aren't paying that full sticker price. State and local incentives, think tax credits, rebates, performance-based incentives, can knock thousands off the cost depending on where you live. And most homeowners aren't writing a $29,000 check anyway. Many go solar with loans that spread payments out over time, letting you own the system and benefit from long-term savings. Others choose leases or power purchase agreements, which can lower electric bills immediately with little or no upfront costs. So the real price of solar isn't just one number. It varies a lot. And I know, of course I'm gonna say that, but let me explain. A homeowner in Illinois could pay nearly 50% more than someone in Arizona for a similar system. But that doesn't mean that solar doesn't make sense in Illinois. Because solar isn't really about what you spend up front. It's about what you stop paying every month to your utility company. And with electricity prices rising across much of the country, those avoided bills are becoming more valuable every year. So what do those savings actually look like? On average, homeowners who purchase their systems outright will break even in about 10 years. Solar panels are typically warranted for 25 years or more, which means well over a decade of free, or at least dramatically reduced, electricity costs over that point. Over the lifetime of a system, total savings commonly reach $30,000, and in some areas, $100,000 or more. So when you're evaluating solar, the most important question isn't just how much does solar cost, it's how much will solar save me over time? To estimate your savings, head to EnergySage.com.